Well, I've been waiting for this day for a fairly long time.
Times and places.
Jess, you're my day one, and I've always looked up to you. I feel so lucky to have grown up being your little sister. You set the bar high for everything. Your big energy and passion to live life fully is contagious, and I've always loved that about you.
Who you share it with.
Jessica, you are a beautiful daughter,
And the weeks
and you're even a more beautiful bride. If you know Jessica, you know she's hardworking, and I started at a very early age.
in time.
When her brother came home from kindergarten with his homework, she wanted to know when she was 3 years old where her homework was. Jess, your mother and I couldn't be prouder of you. It's been quite a ride.
Seeing you at Dawson brings me so much joy. You found somebody who matches your spirit and your passion for life.
Dawson and I met in the early 90s. And let me tell you, we had an instant connection. Dawson was always first to have my back when I needed it. He taught me how to be strong and push through pain. So Dawson, I want to thank you for being there for me back when we were kids and now and the future to come.
I believe what the point is.
Dawson, from day one of meeting you, I could tell you were such a good fit for my sister. Your calm demeanor complements and balances her. And when you hopped on a ski lift with Jess and I, without ever gone skiing before, I knew I couldn't wait for you to be in the family.
Who you share it with.
Dawson, you're a very kind and loving and a compassionate young man. We think you're the half that makes Jess whole.
Who you share it with.
Jess and Dawson, your vows have been spoken in minutes, but your promises to each other will last a lifetime. I hereby pronounce you husband and wife. Dawson, you may kiss your bride.
Who you share it with.
I can easily sit here and tell everyone why these two are perfect for each other, but I feel like anyone who has met you two can already tell that you both are a match made in heaven.
As you both embark on this new chapter of your lives, know that I'll always be there, cheering you on every step of the way.
It's a moment.
Life is going to have its ups and downs, but if you can see the good side of things, there's not much you two can't deal with together.
What the point is
So please raise a glass for our newlywed. And since we have a Viking in the family now, skål! Love you both.
who you share it with.
To Jessica and Dawson, may the future bring them good health and happiness, wisdom. Your mom and I give you our wholehearted blessing and know you two will last a lifetime. Salacha!